Hi, I'm Nilou, and I don't know anything about sports. What I do know about is how to make crazy addictive and super easy hot wings that everyone you know will be begging you to make over and over again. We've got the wings. They are so easy to make, and the best part is this is so affordable. So if you're having a big bunch of people over to watch whatever sport it is that you love to watch, this is gonna be perfect. So you're gonna get your wings, get them, it doesn't really matter if they're room temperature or not, just they're in a bowl. It's super easy. Gonna add some olive oil, gonna add salt, gonna add pepper. Did I mention that it was easy? Finish up the olive oil, boom and boom. I love these little tiny ramekins. We're just gonna get these puppies a little tossed. So we basically wanna get enough oil on these and enough seasoning so that when they go under the broiler, they're gonna get nice and crispy. But that's not where it ends. So first, let's get these guys broiled. We've got our broiler preheating, so it's cranking, it's hot in here. And we're gonna put these guys skin side up. Now you say, there's skin on both sides, that is true. But one side has more skin. So wherever you've got more skin that you're trying to crisp up, that's the side to put facing up. Here we go, they're beautiful, they're ready to go. Right into the oven. So the reason you're gonna have them skin side up is because the heat is gonna be hitting them directly on the skin and they're gonna get nice and crispy and bubbly, and some of that fat is gonna melt, which is what we want. Here we go, we're gonna stick these right in the oven. Oh boy, here's the broiler, it's hot. So they're gonna stay in there for 10 to 12 minutes, then you're gonna flip them and broil them for another 5. Now, we're gonna make the secret sauce. So in a glass mixing bowl, we are going to take this unbelievable sauce. I have to say that I'm completely hooked on it. It's the Lee Kum Kee Chu Chow chili oil. And when you open it up, you just get that incredible smell of chili and garlic. And allow me to show this to you. Is that beautiful or what? Yes. Okay. So look, you're gonna have to really stir it up. All those chilies have migrated south. So we're gonna do a tablespoon and a half. I'm gonna go a little extra because I'm a little extra. I'm gonna add melted butter. Yes, did I say melted butter? Yes, I did. Of course you need that for your wings, and some apple cider vinegar. That all is now basically ready for the wings. So we just have to wait for those babies to get all nice and bubbly and crispy and delicious. So it's been about 15 minutes and the wings are ready to come out. Oh. Okay, take a look at these. Do you see the beautiful skin and how crunchy they've gotten? And a little bit of char. And on the skin side, as we had them the other way, they've gotten nice and, ooh, I like them. I like them. Okay, what happens next? They take a bath. So they go right into our hot sauce. And here we go. They're just gonna stir them around and make sure they get coated. And I don't. I'm smelling the garlic, I'm smelling the chili, I'm smelling the vinegar. I am smelling pure joy. So now they go back into the oven for a final crisping now that we have them. Once you make these, you're gonna be making them all the time. Okay, here we go, almost there. Just a couple more to get nice and coated. I haven't tried this sauce with other things, but I feel like it might end up becoming my basically secret hack for everything. Like, I think it might be great on chicken skewers. I mean, why not? Okay, so look at these beauties. They're gonna go back in the oven for just 1 minute, just so they get one more layer of crispy deliciousness. So here we go. They're gonna go under the broiler 1 minute. And then once they come back, they're gonna go back in the bowl for a final coat. I love the typical way that I had them when I was in college, which is celery and blue cheese. But with this sauce, I feel like cucumbers with a little tiny bit of salt on them is a great way to go. And I can't get enough of these beautiful radishes, so I always want to use them on everything. The wings are coming out. and they're gonna be hot and delicious. Look, 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 look. But what happens? They go back in the chili fantastic bath. Yes, they do. And we put them right out. So these guys, I feel like it's a tease to have this few wings, because honestly, by the time I set them out, they're gonna be done. But they are so good and so delicious and so compulsively edible. The Chu Chow sauce is an addictive combo of garlic and more garlic and has a spicy punch. You know how they say to keep the hot side hot and the cold side cold? I think this kind of does that. So is this like a personal size for me? Okay, here we go, Drumette. Come to mama. Can you hear that at home? Mmm. Mmm. So spicy and tingly and garlicky and crispy and juicy. Mmm. I mean, this is a touchdown.